Yeah, question. Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry.
No problem. Go ahead.
You were just saying about when somebody has like a big meal or something. So let's say you get invited to some friend's house and they have all this food and it's catered and they overorder or whatever. Is it rude to if they offer for you to take some?
No. Why?
Is it inappropriate to accept it, or do you decline?
No, there is.
Say, hey, here, take a plate, take a pan, or whatever.
No, there is. It's. Thank you very much for asking this question because it's absolutely normal to take it because I am going to explain why. One of the mitzvahs we have bal tashlis, right? So we cannot waste food. So one person waste food or anything like clothes, somebody told me, one of my students told about his former classmate, whatever it was. So he's trying to keep up to the fashion. So he would change the T-shirt every two weeks. He would buy a new T-shirt. I'm not sure. I don't remember what was the conversation about, but he gave this example. So it's for sure it's a waste of time. His parents are working very hard, and these spoiled kids, instead of doing something productive in society and with his life, he's watching the fashion. You understand? So it's bal tashlis because he throws out. And same with food. HaShem gave us blessing, and he had. He gave us this blessing in order to be able to work, to be able to function in the world, and make money and buy this food. So when you throw out, it's disrespect to HaShem. So for sure, if somebody offer you food to take, otherwise they're not going to eat it. They're going to throw out. For sure, that's a big mitzvah for others, to save other people from transgression. 100%. I mean, what they're going to do with the food? Some food you can froze, but not everything. I'm not sure. Some food, I don't remember what was it, but I said let's freeze it. We froze it and we could not eat it. It was not good. Some meat fish you can freeze, but not every food you can freeze. So you can give somebody to go. Absolutely, there is no problem to it. Absolutely no problem.